Managing your form entries is about to get a whole lot easier. I'm Daisy with WPForms, and today I'm excited to announce our brand new Entry Automation add-on. The Entry Automation add-on allows you to manage your form entries more effectively by automating tasks like exporting entries or deleting them on a set schedule of your choosing. Once inside the form builder, you can find Entry Automation under the Settings tab and choose from between two actions, either export entries or delete entries. You can then add a file name, select the file format for your export, and choose where you'd like to export it to, either via email, an FTP server, or cloud storage solutions like Google Drive and Dropbox. You can choose what specific entry information you'd like to include in the imported file itself, and then set a schedule for how often you'd like for this automation to run. You can set a start date and an end date, choose the frequency, days of the week, and even a specific time. And if you'd like to automatically delete entries, you can also set a schedule so that this task is automatically done at a frequency of your choosing. We take making things simple very seriously around here, and so we hope that the new Entry Automation add-on will do just that. Be sure to subscribe to us here on YouTube so you can keep up to date with all of our new releases, as well as our latest tips and tricks for WordPress. I'm Daisy with WPForms. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.